I know you are hungry. That's why. So come over here. This is supposed to be for my cats. Hold on. Don't bite me. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Okay, ha. Oh. See that, guys and girls? This big cat. Some kind of a hungry. Okay, hope you like that hot dogs. Slice of hot dogs, okay? Oh. This will be for my 2 cats in my house. Or should I give this to you now? Oh. Got just one more. Okay? Bye! Sleep afterwards. Don't roam around, huh? Bye. Okay, say hi. Say no more.